Morning, boat fans. We're back out. The weather is supposed to be pretty decent today. A bit of wind this morning, and there's a bit of swell from yesterday still coming through. It is quite bumpy at the moment, but hopefully as the day goes on it'll get a little bit better and we'll have a nice afternoon. Weather looks decent, so should be a good day. Might even chance try an early taupe. It's what now, middle of March, so should be showing up now. Right, without further ado, get the feathers down, see if we can catch some pollock or mackerel, and we might have a try for a taupe later on. Had a few pollock, a few mackerel and a couple of herring as well. So 3 species for the day. Had the anchor down for a couple of hours, but it's tough really. We've got the wind and the tide running in total different directions, so I can't really get settled in one spot. I'll give it a little time longer and then probably move on. I think might go over. I'm not sure, to be honest. Not sure where to go. No, don't know what to do. give it a little while longer at anchor, and then hopefully we'll get a tope. If not, we'll head somewhere different, do something else. Catch and release. Dobber. The size of that one. That is a proper mackerel. Lazy feather in this. Still got quite a bit of swell, so they're working themselves. Back at the slipway now. Another great day out on the boat. Nothing too exciting in terms of fishing. A load of mackerel, a load of pollock and a few herrings. That was about it. Nothing bigger. Fished for tope for a couple of hours, but couldn't really get settled at anchor, so didn't give it too long, and nothing came along. Bait's totally untouched, not even a doggy or anything. So that was a bit of a letdown, but still early doors, and hopefully they'll be back soon. But for now, have a bit of a clean down of the boat. As you can see, the bottom of the slip here is just a little bit green with the weed, so got to wait till it gets to about where the front of my trailer is there, and be able to get it out. But for now, just have a quick tidy up, throw some of the stuff in the van, and yeah, till next time.